Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of... The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, east central Humphreys County in Middle Tennessee, central Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:56 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ashland City to near White Bluff to near McEwen, moving south at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Dixon, Ashland City, Centerville, Nashville, Brentwood, Nolensville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, White Bluff, Belmead, Kingston Springs, Thompson Station, Pegram, Burns, Fairview, Bellevue, Antioch, Jolton, and Berry Hill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather